Hey everybody, Renaissance Man back at it again. Today I'm going to talk to you about this app called Plex. Plex allows you to make your own computer a media server or install Plex server on another computer at a remote location and be able to access all of that stuff via the Plex app on any of your devices. You'll see what I'm talking about a little bit more as we get into the tutorial. So here you see you have two versions of Plex. You have Plex, the app, which is just a connection to the servers, all the Plex servers that you set up remotely, right? So via one source, I can have access to all my Plex servers, right? So you see, the Mac Mini is not actually here. It's actually at my mother's house. And I set up a whole network and environment there using a Mac Mini, installing Plex server on it, and then putting video and audio and photos on that computer. So here you see all the categories: home movies, IT video, the son's videos, movies, music concerts, and television. Of course, I'm hitting this computer via TeamViewer. Shouts out to TeamViewer. It's free for only 5 computers. It's a free non-licensed version, so I can hit 5 computers. So I only have 2 that I've added. So I'm hitting that Mac Mini at my mother's house all the way in New York City, and I'm upstate, right? So I'm hitting this computer. That's where all this media lives. So I put all these video files in here and all my pictures in here and musical concerts, videos that I've acquired, and I put them on the Plex server. Server is installed here. You can open Plex server. Notice when you open the server, it opens on the internet, right, via a browser. So that's how you control your server, right? But via the app, this is just a dumb app that just hits the servers. So if I wanted to add a new folder on this home computer at my mom's house, I would go up here and click settings and then go down to manage libraries. And I can add a new library. I can create a folder, what type of audio it is, music, photos, other videos, and then linked to my folder. So if I go to my home directory here, I can set up anything, a link to anything. And after you add the folder, that's where the magic happens. Because Plex goes online in search of the metadata and brings down the pictures for the movies that you have. So if I download a Louis Prima, it goes and finds the name of the song and the photo and groups it along with the media. So say I go to movies here, I go to action, I go to Indiana Jones. It's already taking, right, screenshots and putting it on the media. So it makes it really easy to manage the media. So literally, if I start playing this, I won't start playing. I don't want to get copyright issues. But that's playing all the way from my remote location at my mother's house. Everything. So I put home videos in there of my baby, ain't he cute? Videos for my boy, music, right? Photos, playlists I made, different kinds of playlists. Your own personal movie theater. So we throw this on at home. Everybody has Plex installed on their devices at home. Everybody's allowed to hit these videos. So it's really, really great. And Plex also works with Roku and Fire Stick and all these web streaming devices. So you could just plug that into your TV, install the Plex app, and be ready to rumble, hitting Plex from anywhere, right? So that's a Plex tutorial, a quick little overview of Plex and how to use Plex server. And then the Plex dumb app, just Plex. I think it's called Plex Video Player. But hopefully you found this interesting. Renaissance Man out.